Ever notice that when you wake up in the morning, your jaw hurts? That may be because you grind your teeth at night. Teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, often happens during sleep. Bruxism may be related to stress and anxiety, sleep disorders, an abnormal bite, or temporomandibular joint disorders. Symptoms can include a dull headache or sore jaw. Your teeth may become painful, cracked, or even loose from grinding. Your dentist can fit you with a mouth protector to help guard teeth during sleep. If grinding your teeth or clenching your jaw is caused from stress, find ways to reduce tension. Try practicing relaxation techniques, exercising, or yoga. If you have any questions regarding bruxism, ask your dentist. For the ADA Dental Minute, I'm Dr. Maria Lopez Howell.